Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video we are going to be assembling the new Samsung ViewFinity S7 monitor. Let's begin. Now, in the previous video I have successfully unboxed the whole package. You can see the cables, but the cables are right here. And I've made a very foolish mistake because I am a very big fool. And that being, I said that you will need a screwdriver in order to fully assemble it. And I was wrong. What I meant was that you will need for sure a screwdriver in order to assemble it on your wall. Because as you can see, if I'm going to take out this monitor, you can see that there is 4 spaces for the VESA standard or VESA standard. So it is possible to assemble it on your wall, but you will need a screwdriver and 4 screws, but they should come with your wall held. Now, back to the montage, to the assembling itself. I was a big fool because here you can see that it's an installation guide, and can you guess who read it? Not me. And well, today it's going to be different because, as you can see, we have a very nice and simple tutorial on how to assemble the HUD itself. So I'm just going to quickly follow it. As you can see, the way it works is pretty simple, as you have this little push button which you can push. And let's just do exactly like on the drawing. So we're going to put it here, and you cannot see that, so I'm going to do that here. You have to, well, just like in the drawing basically, you will need to rotate it so that the little thingy that keeps everything in check, let's say, is in front of us, and the HUD itself will be positioned like this. After we have it, we simply need to rotate it. Yes, we simply need to just rotate it once of 90 degrees, so let's just simply do that. But you will need a push, because if you don't push, you cannot really move it anyway. So you have to push it, and then you can move it freely. So we push, we rotate it until we hear this little click. And now, as you can see, it's totally stable. If you would want to remove it for some reason, we simply, actually I don't even have to show it, because the installation guide, wouldn't you know it, also has it covered. And as you can see, you only need to rotate it back while pressing the push button. So now we have our handheld, our screen held, and now we're going to follow the installation guide, meaning we want to have our monitor facing downwards in the styrofoam. And I already prepared that. And now all you have to do is just to simply click it. Like that's everything you need to do. So let's just try to do that. Because as you can see, there are these little teeth, for example. Well, let's call them teeth. and they go right here. Those go in these holes and these go here. There's also this button right here, which you can use to level. So you probably will need to keep pressing it, insert it into your monitor, and then it will just jump into its place. So let's check it out. As you can see, oh, we actually don't even have to do anything. It's just like that. And now we only have to plug in the cables and the monitor should work. So let's carefully get it out. Oh, it's much heavier with the screen held. Wow. Let's get rid of the styrofoam as we don't need it now. And voila. Oh my goodness. Now that is enormous. Wow. It's really huge and it's really heavy. I'm pretty sure that the screen itself only weighs 5 kilo, but with the held, nice. And as you can see from this side, we really have a nice gateway into the, there's still pyrofoams. Oh, whatever, I will get rid of them later. Oh, they are really sticky, aren't they? Huh. From this side, we really have nice access to the USB port and the mini jack port. And the power and video port themselves are right here. Here are one display port and one HDMI. There are no more of video ports, sadly. And here on the other side, you can see the power port. So as you can see, the assembling itself, if I wouldn't talk that much, would literally take 30 seconds if done quickly. In next video, we're going to plug that in, and we'll go through each setting individually. So just so people that aren't very familiar with the screen themselves can basically customize it however they want. So that's all for today. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.